Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about why landing pages are so important. But first, I need to be really clear about what I'm talking about when I refer to a landing page, because a lot of people say to me, well, I already have a homepage, isn't that a landing page? And on a strictly technical level, that's true. When I talk about why landing pages are so important, I'm really referring to specific landing pages for individual products, services, and promotions. And the importance of landing pages comes down to a couple of different things. The first is a difference in how websites are built versus how they're actually used by visitors. When building a website, it's very common to start with a sitemap and plan out all the different pages so that any information people might be looking for is covered. But in reality, most people who visit a website spend about 5 seconds on page before deciding whether or not to stick around. The concept of visitors clicking around to each different page of a website in order to absorb all of the information isn't really true, which means most websites aren't actually built to convert visitors into customers. In reality, if you want your website to convert, you have to catch people's attention in that first 5 seconds and make it really easy for them to complete a purchase. By building out specific landing pages, you can achieve that objective and increase the conversion rate of your website. The other reason why landing pages are so important is that they actually impact your digital advertising in a really big way. When you build better landing pages and direct your ads straight to those pages, you actually increase your relevancy score and pay less of a premium for each click. So at the end of the day, having specific landing pages will save you money and increase your conversions. When you approach a website with conversion in mind, you can have a massive impact on a business, and that's one of the things we specialize in. If you think your website could use some work, I encourage you to book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forwards with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.